Well, the storm has sort of started at the moment. Been going since about 9 o'clock this morning, the wind, and my dwarf sunflowers have copped a bit of a battering. So I think the best thing we can do is take them down. Sorry about my finger. Not what you want them doing properly. Anyway, these are meant to be Topolino sunflowers, which are meant to go to 2-3 foot tall. Those ones have. And those ones haven't. They're getting on for about 8.5 foot, I think. Not that I'm complaining, because I love sunflowers, they're beautiful. The unfortunate thing is we've got this storm Lorenzo heading in this evening. We're on the outskirts of it at the moment, and I don't think my sunflowers are going to live much past midnight tonight. So I think the best thing I can do is try and enjoy what I can in the house in a vase. I've enjoyed having them out for the last month or so, but as with everything in Ireland, the wind or the rain wants to decimate it. When you try and do something nice, it kicks you up the arse. But we'll see if we can enjoy them. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye bye. So this is a Dwarf Topolino sunflowers. I've just cut them back now. Give them a bit of a fighting chance anyway, and give me some nice ones in the garden, in the house I mean. But what I forgot to mention was, when I realised that these were going out of control, shall we say, I've got some Thunbergia alta, which are these, like the Morning Glory, or one of the family of the Morning Glory, which I was running up sticks by the side of the sunflowers, which were dwarf. But as they were a bit bigger than what I anticipated, I thought, they're a climbing plant, let's see if they go up the side of the sunflowers. And they have. And they've gone all the way up to the top. As I said, that was about 8 foot. And they've reached the very top. Just up there. I'm quite pleased with them. Producing, well, they've produced lots of flowers. Not only two. Well, anyway, hopefully we have what's left coming back into flower tomorrow or whatever. And Mr. Lorenzo comes through without too much problem. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye bye now.